Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Go to the wallpapers and themes, which are here. And now select either one from your wallpapers, or if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you can pick one from the online themes. But I will pick one from my wallpapers. Let me pick, for example, this one. And now decide if you would like to set it just on your home screen, on your lock screen, or maybe on both of them. I will pick both. This is how it will look like. If you still want to do it, if you still want to change your wallpaper, click on Set as Wallpaper. And that's it. From now on, your brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.